Hello guys, I welcome you all back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how to get a free $1,000 prop firm account that you can use to trade, and you can also withdraw from it. Okay, so it's not a competition account, neither is it a trial account, but it's a real prop firm account. So please make sure you subscribe to this channel, like and share with your friends. Okay, so follow me as I show you how to get this free $1,000 prop firm account. I'm going to be showing you all the steps that you will need to get this free $1,000 prop firm account. Okay, so let's go. The link to claiming this bonus will be in the description below. Okay, so once you go to the description below, you click on join my Telegram channel, or you can click on claim the bonus right here. So once you click on it, it's going to take you straight to my Telegram channel, which you can see right here. Yes, this is my Telegram channel. Okay, so it's going to bring you straight to this channel. Okay, so if you know you want to be part of this community, you have to join my Telegram channel for daily updates. I update this channel every day. Okay, so if you know that you're not part of this community, please make sure you join right now so I can be getting daily update. Okay, and 76% of you who watch my videos haven't subscribed yet. Please, what are you waiting for? Do well to subscribe to this channel. If you know that you are enjoying my content on Forex no deposit bonuses, please just take a second to subscribe, like my videos, like this particular video, so that YouTube can push it to more people and they can also benefit from these videos. Okay, so like my videos, comment the country where you're watching from so that I can keep making videos for your country. Turn on the notification bell to get more updates. Okay, so please make sure you subscribe to this channel, comment, like, share my videos. Okay, so that more people can benefit from it. Okay, so let's go into the video. So here's the site in which we are going to be getting the free $1,000 prop firm account. So the first thing we're going to be doing is to register. As you can see it, so I'm going to be inputting my email address, my first name, last name, country, WhatsApp number, password, and I'll agree to the terms and conditions. Then I'll click on register. Okay, so you can see I'm signed in already. I've registered. This is the dashboard. So you can see the free $1,000 account. It used to be $15, but now it is totally free. And you can see the coupon code right there. Okay, so you can see the free trial, the you can see the pips challenge and so on. Okay, so we're just going to go back to the bonus. Okay, so we're going to click on start challenge. Okay, so you can see that it is loading. So this is it right here. You can see the minimum trading days. You can see the maximum daily loss. For the minimum trading days, you can see that it is 5 days. The maximum daily loss 5%, the maximum overall loss 10%, and the profit target is 8%. Okay, so you can see it. You can see the $1,000 prop firm account. Okay, so we're going to be getting it for free. Okay, so you can see the account type that we're going to be using to get the bonus, which is MetaTrader 5. You can see it right here. Okay, so we're just going to click on we'll just agree to the terms and conditions, then we'll click on proceed. But before you do that, you have to fill in all this your information. Yes, you have to fill in your details. So once you're done doing all of that, then you click on start challenge. Okay, yes, so this is it right here. If you want the full details of the terms and conditions, you get it right here. You can see the profit splits, you can see the refundable fee, you can see the minimum trading days and the maximum trading days. You can see everything that you need to know about this prop firm. Okay, so now let's talk about the terms and conditions. So we're just going to click on open terms and conditions. So you can see the terms and conditions right here. You can see the eligible customers from 18 years and above. You can see the legal entity. You can see everything that you need to know about you getting this prop firm. You can see the services that are provided, order of services, and so on. So because of our time, I won't be reading the terms and conditions for you, so just go through it. Okay, everything that you need to know about this $1,000 prop firm account is right there. Okay, so just go through the terms and conditions. So once you're done doing that, you go back to your dashboard, then you fill in your details, the necessary things that you need to know and the necessary things that you need to do. Then you agree to the terms and conditions, then you click on processing. So after that, you have to verify your email. Yes, so we're going to be verifying my email. So I'm just going to head on to my email. An OTP code has been sent to my email already, so I'm just going to go straight to my email, then copy the OTP code. This is it right here. So I'm just going to copy the OTP code, then head back, then paste it, and I'll click on verify email. So after that, you have to verify your WhatsApp. Okay, so an OTP code has also been sent to my WhatsApp, so I'm just going to head to my WhatsApp, then copy the OTP code and paste it right here. As you can see it, this is me pasting it. So I'll click on verify WhatsApp. So after that, they're going to be asking you to verify your documents, but we're going to be ignoring that. Okay, so this is me, my verification, WhatsApp verification is successful. So start document verification. So you're going to verify your email, WhatsApp, identity verification, but we're going to be ignoring that. Okay, so we're just going to head back to our dashboard, then fill in our details, agree to terms and conditions, then click on processing. So you can see that it is processing right here. So once it is done processing, your login details will be sent to you, okay, which you're going to be using to log into MetaTrader 5, not MetaTrader 4. Okay, so I've gotten my password, I've gotten the trading server, which is Achiever Global Markets, then my login ID. So we're going to head on to my MetaTrader 5 right now, and I'll be imputing the broker, which is Achiever Global Markets. So I'm going to be inputting my login ID, password, then click on login. So I've done that already. So this is me. I'm logged in and I've gotten the $1,000 prop firm account. So it's as simple as that. There's no stress at all in getting it. Just follow the steps that I showed in the video. Okay, so you can also trade with it. Okay, so if you know you got it, just let me know in the comment section and comment the country where you're watching from so that I can keep providing more videos for your country. Okay, thank you.